Right, hello, 'tis me, 'tis I, 'tis thee. Yes, let's just put this away. I think, oh dear, so tired. Didn't sleep at all last night. And I've just got off live with all the girls. Oh my God, that was brilliant. But I am absolutely shattered now. But it's all's good. Right, so we're going to be doing an unboxing because something turned up today, and it is let's just get it. Well, two things turned up today, and that is this thing. I've already opened it. Paint gem. This is one. And then we also got the bricks borrowed. Comes like this. The very first one you get comes in a box, but the rest comes like this. And this one I managed to get was Battle for Hogwarts. So hopefully my grandkids will like that. Right, but this is the main thing. That's what it's like. I got the mystery edition. The mystery edition. Oh dear. Now what does it say on the back? On the back it tells you roughly, well, museum, national parks, space, around the world and her story. Okay, well, let us see. I got this because my big mystery painting from DAC is massive, and I thought I want to try some little ones first. So here we go. That's what it is. And baggies. Good that they've got their, what's it called on them? Sorry, I've got a, yeah. I think that's the cheese finally working its way through from my baked potato that I had earlier. Right. In here, what do we get? Did I want this or didn't? I don't think I wanted this. Didn't need it. No, that'd be binned. That'd be binned. I'll possibly keep that. And I'll keep that because my one on this is splitting, so I think I'll take that off and I'll put that on instead. And look, and there is a hole through that, so I'm going to keep that because that is going to come in handy as a spare one. Right, so, and this can be recycled. I don't know what to do with that. Oh, maybe I'll just bin it. Be brave. Right, now let's see. The Gems colour chart. Mystery edition, mini 23. So I think this one was probably 2023. There are no ABs, and it's never in order, which is also frustrating. But we will see. Right. Oh my word. All right. On here we get the what's included, tips and tricks and all that. So I need, is it this one? possibly one piece, but I don't think that is one piece. I'll have to have another look. There it is. I've got to be careful because, right, let's show you these as well before I continue. We go all over the place here, don't we? These are what I did the other day. Air dry clay. Now, some of these are a bit crap, and some of them are a bit thin one side and a bit too thick the other side, but you know, it's not fussing me. I'm not going to overly fuss about it. But these are what I've done. They're still drying off a bit, so I'm going to give them until tomorrow, and then maybe Sunday next week, maybe actually give them a chance to completely dry, and then I'll be painting them white, completely white with acrylic. And then on these I should be using my acrylic brush markers, I think, to colour these in. And I've got some drills, certain drills, round ones, so like black drills, round drills for the eyes and things like that. And then I'm going to possibly try and maybe drill a hole through thing, and then put a ring in it, so I'd have to make it enough so that the jump ring will fit through, and then either make them into a keychain, because I've got some of those little tassels which I could use alongside of this, you know, bearing a little, you know, one of those little tassels like that. And yeah, it's still quite damp. And yeah, and but I'll be not varnishing, resin, doing a little resin layer just to toughen it up on the front and back. So obviously I've got to sand it down a bit. But yeah, so I've got those little bunnies, wolflet, another wolflet, sheepses, bear, car, chicken, cats, more bunnies, chicken, rocket. And then underneath here we've got all these. So out of one pack of Das clay, air dry clay, I made all these, and there was a little bit which I binned because I couldn't, it was getting a bit stiffer as I was rolling it. I mean, some of these marks that you see on them, oh no, that isn't a mark, but I mean, I've got little sander sticks, I can do those. And then, you know, I'm toying with like going along the outline of it all with a black pen and then filling it in. I have to try, but well, so these ones will be my, because they're a little bit too thin and a bit shagged, so these ones will my test ones. But yes, so I can either turn them into magnets, or I can turn them into key rings, or I was thinking I could do brooches, but I'm not sure. I don't know, because I'd have to make sure the brooch backs actually stay connected on, and I just think that might just be a little bit more hassle than it's, you know, than it'll work out. But never say never. I'll have to probably use a glue gun, but right. So how many colours have we got? We've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 24, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46. Wowzers. So that is... We'll get one of these out, shall we? Right. God, that pile's getting higher and higher. Right, let us see. I need this light on, don't I? All of a sudden I can see. Right. So let's try and work out these in number order. Three, 1, 7. 318. Oh, missed one. Of course there'd be a 310, wouldn't there? How many other threes? Now we're on fours. 414, 415. Oh look, Mr. 336. 433, 434, 435, 436, 437. God, I'm ready for my bed. 437. That one, 444, 498, and then we've got a 500. I saw 500. Any more 500s? Fives. Yep. Oh, if I can get it off. Now we're on 600s. 606. 699. Now we're on to sevens. 702. 704. 712. 730. 9 even. 740. 744. 747. 762. 783. I think that's all the sevens. Now we're on to eights. 814. Amazing, I can count, isn't it? 823. 825. 827. 86, I mean. I hate it when you end up pulling and you pull up some of the backing bit. 827. 890. Now we're on the 900s. 939. Whoops. 938. 939. 947. 975. You know I can count. 976. 996. Right, now on to the 3000s. Oh, no, Mr. 995. Of course, I've missed a 995. Right. 3371. Can't remember those are for that painting. 3 3, right, the rest are 3 8s. So we've got 3826. 3847. 3848. 3849. I think I should have put a bit of masking tape over these first. Oh well. And the last one is said 3865. There we go. So that's all that done. I can bin that. But actually what I'm going to do is do what I always do with my got it. This. Right, so we've got those. Right, so we have them. Now we have these. And I have got to put the fan on, I'm afraid. I'm feeling rather hot. I'm tired. Oh, shoot. I'm very tired because I didn't get to sleep last night. Well, I tell a lie, I did. I had a sleep from about 9:30 through about 10:30. Yeah, 10:30 or so. Then I woke up and then I couldn't sleep, and then next minute I was asleep. No, and I wasn't asleep, was I? I was awake then till 1 or 2, and then I went sleepy again, but I stayed awake, and then about 5, 6 I finally dropped off again. Oh God, you know what these look like they're gonna have? Forgot about this. It's the kitting up bit I do not like. Right, where is that? Where are my little... Where is my little some of them. There they are. Let's just prep them. There we go. I need to get some starch and just see if that works. Right. So 939. Actually, I've got them all in order. Right. Oh, shoot. Has to be on the side here. No, I can't find it. Can't find my funnel or my other container. The purple one is in one of those donor boxes, which I've yet to go and sort out. So we'll get that way. We'll just have to do it this way. I'm going to keep that in there. Right. These pots are a little bit narrower than standard ones. Right, so what we are now, 996. Oh shoot. Sorry, my head's going all silent while I'm doing this, aren't I? Just trying to get that last one out. Ugh. Got you, little weak. Alright, that's that bag done. Yeah. There we go. 500. I mean, some of these ones with only lit in, but a lot of static on the back. Might not have been such a good idea to do this. Well. 3847. It's a nice sort of teal colour, isn't it? I think these bits of tri sheet are a little bit too. There we go, last 3 out. This is a mystery one, so we can guess 995. They're all sticking to me now. Come on. Oh my word. Static, that's the one thing I forgot. I thought, oh yeah, I'll just kit up while I'm here, that'd be quick. No, I forgot about all the bloody static, didn't I? Gotcha. That's the thing with static, it tends to stick on the tray. It doesn't move down. There we go. Three, 8, 4, 8. This one's definitely gonna. It's not a good idea having the fan on while I'm doing this, because all it's doing is blowing all these blooming drills away. Come on, out you come, you little That's the wrong colour. Well, it's in there now. The sponge, not sponge, a little paintbrush. This one, how bad is that one? Oh, that's all right. Mm, 3849. Only saying I can start this tomorrow. Oh God, itchy ear or what? I'm going to get the results of my scan. I was hoping to phone them up, the doctors. I think it's perhaps a little bit too late now. This stuff certainly does stick. Right. Oh God, there's loads left. I really don't want to be doing this anymore. I'm too tired. Oh dear. But well, I've started, so I must finish. Oh God, my back is really bad today. Do you know what? I think I'm just going to put a whole load of calmer downer stuff in. That was done. Just to sort of calm it down a bit. I thought this would be 310. Oh God, my back. Do you know what? I was so hot last night in bed. Tonight I'm going to be putting my what's it called, my AC on for, I'll set the timer for it so it'll go off in half an hour after it's been put on. My knuckle is hurting. Yeah. I think I might have to cut some more. Oh shit. Yep, now it's all flying everywhere. Where did it go? There it is. Definitely going to pick it up. I'm not going to. That might be all the difference. These are definitely jumpy, aren't they? Look at that. I think I might have to be cutting more up. Oh, please let me just have enough. dear. I am so ready for my bed. Oh God, that's my back is absolutely killing me. Yeah, I'm going to have to cut some more bloody tickle, isn't it? Oh, there it is. There we go. That should be enough. See what I'm doing. All I'm doing is just put this in, and you can tell I'm tired because I'm not talking, am I? Which is really pants. I've got the craft fair, my last craft fair for a little while. Got that booked the 19th in town. And then what I've got to do is when I come back from that, I'm going to have to go and take my stuff back up to the to my office because I haven't got another craft fair for a while and I don't want it all in my house, so I might as well take it back up, put it in the office, and yeah. Oh my God, hopefully on Tuesday. Oh, I hope they can mend it, my iPad. Oh, I'm going to be crying. I'll be cancelling the cellular and everything on this one, even though I've got a good deal. I've got 150 gigabytes for £19 a month cellular, which isn't bad, is it? Right, let's put that back in there, and we'll put some of this other stuff in there as well. The fluff. Right, there we go. Go in there. Right, now we'll put that way. Because it's all in here. Right. 826. That's worked out well. Not many colours in, are there? If there are only a few bags left at the end, I'll put them in their own bottles. 606. 6. little bits bringy, but what I shall do is because this was one of the last ones I did, wasn't it? So I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to reach for the ones that are right at the bottom. Got to finish that off as well tonight, and then I can 747. Please get these from Evermoment, because these are not the bluey ones, these are the greeny ones, and I have shadows of these. It's that breeze. Can't wait to get upstairs. Tell you what. Oh my god, I was hot. So hot last night. Yeah, if anything, I could have said I was probably getting a hot flush, but I wasn't. A 938. Right, I think I'm going to do one more of these, and then I might just, I've got to make that phone call. So I think this is going to be done in 2 halves, because this static is irritating me. Yeah. Static, and then I can make my phone call, can't I? Let me look at that. If anything, I should have just sprayed my thing with oh shit. Oh, for God's sake, yeah, I'm not doing this. Oh God. Come on, out you come, you little oik. Hurry up, I've got to make a phone call, find out about my test results. Bloody hell. Oh. Come on. Please. I'm going to be shaking you vigorously. There we go. Bastards. Right, I'm not going to fight with that. I'm going to let that sit in there and acclimatise with their whatever, because I'm just battling and I'm just too tired to cope with battle. So I will see you very soon. Okay, love you all. Tatty bye.